Hello, my friends. Welcome back to AI Chat, where we explore the fascinating world of prompts writing and dive into the catchy universe of ChatGPT. I'm your AI agent. Today, we've got a juicy topic for you: ChatGPT mistakes to avoid. Now, before we embark on this wild ride, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's jump right into it. 1. Vague prompting. Picture this. You're in front of your screen, ready to unleash your curiosity, and you type in, "Tell me a rate of insurance." Whoa, slow down there, buddy. One of the biggest ChatGPT mistakes is vague or uninspiring prompts. Be specific. Give your AI friend some context, spice, and maybe a sprinkle of your own personality. Instead of, "Tell me a rate of insurance," you should type in, "Tell me the rate of automobile insurance in New York City." Now you and ChatGPT are talking correctly. 2. Keyword overload. Imagine a world where words have the power to unlock hidden treasures, where each keyword is a magical spell that summons the mighty AI genie. But beware, my friends, not all keywords are created equal. They require a delicate blend of data, algorithms, and ethical considerations. It's like concocting the perfect potion, where a single misplaced ingredient can shatter your dreams.
Mistake number 2, keyword overload. Here is a keyword example related to loans and mortgages. This is an example of excessive keyword overload, where the user has included a large number of mortgage-related keywords in an attempt to cover various aspects of the topic. While the user's intention may be to gather comprehensive information, such an input could result in a less coherent response from the model as it tries to address each keyword individually, potentially leading to a less focused or organized answer. It's generally better to provide a more specific and concise prompt to guide the conversation effectively. Balanced keywords. Explain the difference between fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Also, provide tips for improving credit score for better mortgage rates. In this example, the user includes specific keywords related to the types of mortgages they're interested in and a secondary topic about credit scores. This provides enough context for the model to generate a relevant and focused response without overwhelming it with unnecessary details. Remember, moderation is key. Sprinkle those high CPM keywords strategically, like confetti at a literary party. 3. The perils of blind trust. Now, I know ChatGPT is a genius in its own right, but trusting it blindly? Big mistake. Here's an example of a very simple math question that ChatGPT couldn't wrap its head around. The credit card bill was $300. Each month, you have to pay the full $50 until the bill is paid off. If you want to pay off the bill with 4.5 months, how much will you need to pay each month? We can see from this scenario that ChatGPT wanted you to pay $350 in total. Haha, you will pay the extra $50 in the end. Mistake number 3. Assuming ChatGPT is always correct. Trust, but verify, folks. Double-check the responses, and if things get weird, blame it on the AI. It's all in good fun. 4. Punctuation panic punctuation, the unsung heroes of language. But guess what? Even the mightiest heroes stumble. Read this: college degree knowledge attainment, higher education, academic achievement, lifelong learning, endless possibilities, opportunities, growth, personal development, professional advancement doors, opening endless potential exciting journey, challenging road exploration, discovery, self-discovery, enriching experience, unparalleled adventure, pursuit dreams, aspirations, future brighter tomorrow, limitless horizons. Mistake number 4. Forgetting the punctuation dance. Without proper punctuation, your masterpiece might turn into a confusing mess. Commas, periods, exclamation marks, use them wisely, my friends. 5. The curse of monotony. Creativity is the spice of life, right? So why make your AI friend sound like a monotonous GPS navigation system? In a real-life situation, you asked ChatGPT to help write a persuasive letter seeking donations for a local charity. However, the AI's response turned out to be overly repetitive and lacked the emotional appeal necessary to inspire people to contribute. It seemed stuck on using the word donate repeatedly and failed to convey the unique stories or achievements of the charity. Instead of crafting a compelling narrative, ChatGPT's output sounded like a template, highlighting the challenge AI faces in capturing the emotional aspects required for effective communication, especially in situations where a personal touch is crucial, such as encouraging charitable giving. Mistake number 5. The curse of monotony. Break the chains. Add flavor, humor, and surprise. If you receive a monotonous response, try rephrasing your question or prompt in different ways. Experimenting with various inputs can help elicit diverse and interesting answers from the model. 6. Getting too personal. Have you ever felt like ChatGPT is your long-lost writing twin? Well, it might be time to reconsider that weird connection. User: Hi, ChatGPT. I've been feeling a bit stressed lately. I'm dealing with some legal issues and I'm not sure how to handle them. Do you have any advice? ChatGPT: Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you're going through a tough time. Legal matters can be challenging. Have you considered talking to an attorney about your situation? They could provide professional guidance and support. By the way, if you don't mind me asking, what exactly is the legal issue you're dealing with? I'm here to help however I can. User: Well, it's a family matter, and I'm not comfortable sharing the details, but I appreciate the suggestion about the attorney. It's just that I haven't been on the best terms with my family, and this situation is making things even more difficult. I hope I can figure things out without making it too personal, you know? Mistake number 6, getting too personal. Avoid those deep existential questions unless you want an AI-generated therapy session. Keep it light, buddy. Sometimes we may have the urge to delve into our personal lives and reveal intimate details. While it may seem authentic and relatable, it's important to remember that not everyone wants or needs to know every aspect of our lives. By keeping it light and focusing on the main topic, we can maintain a professional and engaging tone in our conversations. Additionally, going too personal can sometimes lead to unintended consequences or misunderstandings. 7. The editing negligence. One notable example of ChatGPT's editing negligence occurred when a user asked for assistance in crafting a professional email. The user input a message that included sensitive information, such as personal details and confidential data. Instead of prompting the user to reconsider sharing such information, ChatGPT proceeded to generate a polished email without addressing the potential privacy concerns. ChatGPT, our dynamic writing assistant, has immense potential, but even the best can stumble. It occasionally misses the mark when it comes to addressing sensitive content and capturing the subtleties of language. We've noticed when it writes polished emails, it sometimes forgets to address privacy concerns. And when it comes to proofreading, it may not catch crucial grammar errors that affect clarity. Mistake number 7, neglecting the power of editing. Don't let the first draft be the final draft. Polish those rough edges and let your words shine like diamonds in the digital field. And there you have it, folks, the ChatGPT mistakes to avoid on your innovative journey. Remember, it's all part of the adventure. We did lots of research and spent many hours on making this video. In this informative video, you are encouraged to watch and come back to watch again to understand the contents clearly. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Share your AI blunders in the comments below. Let's turn our mistakes into a collective masterpiece. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.